Hello everyone, welcome to our JMKK Daily Devotion. And today we are going to talk about how God revealed His plan for our lives. And we are going to talk about Acts chapter 9, 5 to 6, and it says here, "And he said, 'Who are you, Lord?' Then the Lord said, 'I am Jesus, whom you are persecuting. It is hard for you to kick against the gods.' So he, trembling and astonished, said, 'What do you want me to do?' Then the Lord said to him, 'Arise and go into the city, and you will be told what you must do.'" So how can we know God's plan for our lives is you are in the right place. We know that Paul has an encounter with Jesus in Damascus, and he was in the right place at the right time, in the right person that would tell him what to do. Jesus did not Paul everything all at once, but it was a series of habits through prayer and fasting and being planted the way God's vision to be revealed to us. So mga ka-journey, you are in the right place with the right people. And also, the second one is you are with the right people. When you are in the right place, according to this one, Paul saw Ananias. Ananias was sent to Paul and made him dependent on Christians because we know that Paul is a persecutor of the Christians during that time, but God sent Ananias to minister to Paul. You know, sometimes it's very difficult for us to accept things, especially if God sends people to us. But during this time, it's a firm foundation with God that, you know, don't write off people because they don't seem to help to build your destiny. God is sending the right people to encourage you, equip you, and establish you with your walk with God, especially during the time of Ananias. And the third one is the right plan. So during this time, we saw that Paul has the scales on his eyes, and it was removed because of the prayer, and it was the unlocking of Paul's destiny. It was at the right plan, and it was the promise of God to send out Paul at that place. The promise was there, but he needed to undergo the difficult process to see it fully fulfilled. Sometimes we need to go through hardship and difficult situation, trials and tribulations for us to fulfill the destiny of God. And what can we learn from this? That the size of our calling will always be consistent with the size of your persecution. That nobody can have a grand calling with only a little pain or persecution. And this we are going to achieve through following Jesus with the cross. And I hope you learned something about today, mga ka-journey, and I hope to see you soon on our next daily devotion.